how to clear Cash App transaction history. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can clear the Cash App transaction history, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to clear the Cash App transaction history, you can basically open the Cash App here. Let's say you made a certain amount of transaction over the years, then you just come to the transaction page and then you want to delete those transactions. Can you delete those transactions? Well, unfortunately the answer is no. A payment application according to the law cannot delete any sort of transactions that have ever been made via their platform, because if they do so, there is no evidence of the exchanges, and that is the reason why you will not be able to delete the transaction. It is always there for your own security, for your own good, so that you are not actually become a victim of scam. Someone might say they sent the money to you, but then they might say they didn't receive it, as they could have deleted the transaction. That is why no one is allowed to delete the Cash App transaction history. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.